Welcome back to another video, and in this I am incredibly excited to bring you the first project released by Beyond Streaming for LB1 Board 2, and we have Pokemon Twitch Purple version 2. This updated version of Pokemon Twitch Purple now includes a catching game, a gym battle game, and a PvP trainer battle game that your viewers can participate in. It's gonna be awesome, and I'm so excited to bring this to you. Reminder that this is for LB1 Board 2 and for OBS, so you will not be able to use the Streamlabs variant of OBS. I don't know what they're calling it now, but you cannot use Streamlabs. You will have to use OBS for all of these features. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Fallon. I make some really awesome games for LB1 Board, now for LB1 Board 2, and I make tutorials for LB1 Board 2 as well. And I'm bringing you the coolest game that I've completed yet. Let's get started and I'll show you how to install it. Once you've downloaded everything from Ko-fi, create a folder called Beyond Streaming, and then inside that folder, toss the Pokemon Twitch Purple into it. Now, to get started, you will need to delete all your channel point redemptions related to your current Pokemon game and all of the scenes that you have in OBS for your catching game, if you've got Waldo's, and your gym battle game, if you've got mine. Don't delete anything else other than your redemptions and your scenes in OBS. All of the files that you have from the previous versions of the game, you're gonna need those in a little bit, and I'll show you why. Once you've deleted all of your scenes from OBS, you're gonna need to close it and then open it back up, because you can't add new scenes in that are named the same thing unless OBS has had a restart. From there, we're gonna load in 4 new OBS scenes for the game. You have one for the catching game, one for the gym battles, one for the PvP battles, and one for a customized trainer card that each viewer is gonna be able to populate and send to your Discord. Now, in order to do this, you will need the source copy plugin for OBS. If you don't have that installed, you just click this link right here, go to download, close OBS, install it, and then open OBS again, and you're all set. Now that we're ready to load these in, you need to find out if you're running a 720p canvas or a 1080p canvas. If you don't know, go to settings, video, and look at the top where it says base canvas. If you're running a 720 by 1080p canvas size, then you're gonna need our 720p scenes. If you're running the 1080p by 1920, then you're gonna need the 1080p scenes. Each will be provided in the download. Just pick the scenes that correspond to what you're running. Go to tools at the top, go to source copy, and go to load scene. And you're gonna take each, you're gonna take each 4 of those scenes and load them into OBS. Once you've loaded those into OBS, you need to take 2 of those scenes and nest them into the scenes that you want those visible. And that is the Beyond Streaming Pokemon scene, that's the catching scene, and the Pokemon Trainer Battle scene, that's your PvP scene. So what you'll wanna do is take those 2 scenes and just nest them into maybe your alert scene if you're using a nested alert scene, or just individually into your just chatting and your gaming scene or any other scene collections that you have, and then position them in the places that's appropriate for those scenes so that it doesn't disrupt the flow of what you may be doing. Now that you have everything in OBS, we're gonna kind of ignore it for a minute. We're gonna move over to Discord. To run this game, you'll need to make 2 new channels in your Discord. You need one for the Pokédex, that's relaying all of the caught Pokemon that your viewers have from LB1 Board and sending it into that Discord channel. And the other channel is to send the trainer card that your viewers are populating for all the badges that they've earned, and sending that to Discord as well. So you want to go and create 2 new channels in your Discord, name them whatever you'd like. Once you've done that, we can finally go into LB1 Board and get this set up. So go ahead and open LB1 Board 2. Once you have that open, on the left side, you'll click Transmitter and then install an extension. Navigate to that Pokemon Twitch Purple folder that you installed earlier. And at the bottom, you'll see an extension file called Pokemon Twitch Purple version 2. Go ahead and click that and we'll install it. On install, you're gonna get a couple pop-ups. It's gonna ask you for information. The very first thing it wants to know is what the invite link is to your Discord. So whenever someone types a command into your chat that sends a message to Discord, be it the Pokédex list that they're requesting, or the trainer card that they're sending to Discord, this link will pop up in chat so they can click it and get to your Discord. So go ahead and get your invite link that you're currently using for your Discord server and paste that link directly into that box. Next, it's going to ask you for the webhook for your Pokédex channel that you made. So in order to get that, you want to go back to Discord, click the little cogwheel and go to integrations. Then you'll click the button that says webhooks, and then you want to click new webhook. You can name this whatever you'd like. This will be the name of the bot that's going to send messages to your Discord with all the information that's being requested through Leornboard for whatever it is your viewers are looking for. Once you've created that, go to the bottom where it says copy webhook URL. You're going to hit that button and then go back to Leornboard 2 and paste that into that field and click OK. Next, it's going to ask you for the webhook for your trainer card channel in Discord. Do the exact same thing we just did for your Pokédex, this time for your trainer card, and then paste that into the field below. Next thing it's going to do is ask you what generation you want to stop at for the catching game. If you only want your viewers to catch Pokemon from the Kanto region, just type 151. If you want them to stop at any other particular region, type that number and they'll be able to catch anything from Pokemon number 1 to whatever that number is. This won't affect the gym battles section of the game in any way. Your viewers will be able to challenge any region at any time, regardless of what region your viewers are allowed to catch Pokemon from. This is specifically for the catching version. If you want them to be able to catch any Pokemon released through Generation 8, just type in 898 and hit OK. Now that we've put the deck into Leornboard 2, let's go back into your File Explorer and move a couple things around. If you have Waldo's version of the catching game from Leornboard 1, take your Pokemon_trainers file from your Leornboard 1 folder, place that into your root folder for Leornboard 2. If you have my version of the Gym Battles game for Leornboard 1, take your gym_badges file from your Leornboard 1 folder and then place that into your Leornboard 2 root folder as well. Next, we're going to do our setup inside our buttons for Leornboard 2. From here, click Stream Deck on the left side of your Leornboard 2 receiver, click Connect, and then navigate to the Pokemon Twitch Purple deck, and then click Connect again, I think is what it says. If you have the Gym Badges file that you moved over, you want to click that button that says Any to JSON. If you don't have that, just skip this button. What that's going to do is it's going to convert the Gym Badges file from the previous version of Gym Battles into the version that we're going to be using for this iteration of the game. Once you've clicked that button, go into your File Explorer and you should have a new file called test_badges in all lowercase. Delete the gym_badges file that you put into that folder and then rename the test badges file back to gym_badges with the appropriate capitalization. This is going to be the new version of the badges file that the game is going to be referencing whenever we do gym battles. Next, let's create all of our new channel point redemptions for the game, the ones that you deleted earlier if you had any variant of them. Click the button that says Create Redeems, and it's going to create all of the new redeems that you need for the game. The buttons that involve throwing a ball to catch Pokemon are going to be a mint green color, and all of the other redemptions are going to be an orange color. You can recolor these, you can change their point costs if you don't like the way they're set up, but don't change the names of the rewards. We also provided you a couple images that you can use for the redemptions. You will find those in your Pokemon Twitch Purple folder inside Sources, inside channel point redemption icons. Now that we've got that done, let's go back to OBS. With it open, you want to click the media setup button in Leornboard, and it will take all of the media that you need to run the game visually and put it into OBS. You should also see a message in your Twitch chat when that's finished. It should take 2 or 3 seconds. If you've properly nested the catching game scene and the trainer battle scene into your other scenes in OBS, navigate to the yellow button at the bottom that says Trainer Battles !Battle. If you scroll down to command line number 114, which is listed on the left-hand side, this is where you want to do your source change visibility for wherever you put your trainer battles scene. If you nested it into a scene that you use for all of your alerts, just go to that blue field, click the drop down and choose the scene that you nested trainer battles into, and that will make sure that trainer battles is turned on in that scene whenever the game starts. If you nested it into multiple scenes, just copy that command line for every scene that you nested it into, and then choose all the appropriate ones so that trainer battles turn on in those scenes whenever the game becomes active. Lastly, let's go over the different commands for the game because there's a lot of them. I want you and your viewers to understand what all you can really do with this game. We'll go through this by sections of the game itself. That way we keep it organized. For the catching game, exclamation mark Pokédex will tell the viewer how many Pokemon they have, and if a Pokemon is spawned, if they have that Pokemon. Exclamation mark Shinies will tell the viewer how many shiny Pokemon they have. Exclamation mark PokéList will send a list to Discord of every Pokemon that viewer has listed by region. Exclamation mark PokéList and then a type will send a list to Discord of every Pokemon that viewer has of that type, which is really good for setting up teams. Exclamation mark PokéList Shinies will send a list to Discord of every shiny Pokemon that viewer has. If a Pokemon cheers at least 250 bits, the game will reward that viewer with a Master Ball if they haven't used theirs yet. A viewer can only have one Master Ball at a time. For the gym battles part of the game, exclamation mark PokéTeam will relay the viewer's current team to chat. I'm gonna quit saying exclamation mark. This should be obvious at this point. Typing PB number and then a name will put that Pokemon onto the viewer's team if they've caught it. A Pokemon can only be set into one ball at a time, so no full teams of Magikarps. Typing gym region will tell the viewer who the next leader is in that region that they need to face and what type that gym leader typically uses. Typing type will list off all the weaknesses for that type. Typing champions will relay the current champion for each region. If you don't have any viewers that have beaten all of the leaders in the Elite Four for that region, it will give you the canonical champion for that region until a viewer reaches that point. For trainer battles, the command is battle at user or battle user, either works. And that will challenge that particular user to a PvP match. There are no stakes here, nothing to be gained, nothing to be lost, just for fun. Both players need to have at least 6 Pokemon in order to participate. For trainer cards, typing exclamation mark partner and then a Pokemon name will set that Pokemon to that player as a partner. This doesn't offer any benefits to the game. They don't have to catch the Pokemon first. This is purely an aesthetic thing for the trainer card. Reminder, if they don't choose a Pokemon, I'm their partner. I'm a good Pokemon. Typing exclamation mark trainer will populate a personalized trainer card for that viewer and send it to the trainer card channel in Discord that you made. This lists their profile picture, their partner Pokemon, their current team that they're using, the number of Pokemon they've caught based on the maximum number that they can catch currently, and then all of the badges that they've earned for each region. It won't list if they're a champion for that region, just the badges. Several people took part in creating this amazing game, and if you want to support them, click the button that says exclamation mark Poke Creators. Each time you click this, it's going to open up the Twitch URL for a member of the team that participated in helping us create this game. If you can, please show each one of them support. They were amazing in helping get this put together. If instead you want to share all of the members of our community with yours, typing Poke Creators will post a message in chat so your viewers can visit their streams as well. Thank you for all of your support, and I really hope you enjoy the game. If you like what we're doing, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, post a comment, ask us questions, and visit our Discord. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitch. I make games like this live every week. Make sure to click right here to check out my Learn to Leaderboard 2 series where I teach you how to do cool stuff in Leaderboard. Stay safe, stay hydrated, and we'll see you in the next video.